What's going on, everyone? Welcome back. Tomorrow's market setup is very important because we just had major earnings reactions from Amazon and Google, and both of these names can directly impact the NASDAQ, QQQ, and SPY. Amazon is trading lower after earnings. Google initially ripped higher, but then gave back a large part of the move. And SPY is sitting right near a major gamma level that could decide whether tomorrow becomes a continuation squeeze or the start of a short-term pullback. Starting with SPY, the key number from the gamma data is 711.9. That is the gamma flip point, and both the SPY put wall and call wall are sitting at 710. So this 710 to 711 zone is the main battleground. If SPY holds above 711.9 and reclaims 713, bulls can try to push towards 718 to 720. But if SPY loses 710, the first downside target is 706.47, then 698.3. A loss of 698 would be more serious because that would suggest the rally is starting to fail beneath prior major resistance. Now let's talk about Google. Google had a wild post-earnings reaction. It initially ripped to roughly 367.48, but then gave back most of that move and then jumped back up to 370 or $22 up after the report. That is not what bears wanted to see. The key upside trigger is now 370.76. If Google can reclaim and hold that level, bulls can try to clear 373, then the post-market high near 377.48. But if Google loses 365, especially below the regular session close near 349.94, the failed breakout becomes more dangerous, with downside targets at 344.21, then a deeper mean reversion move if sellers stay in control. Amazon is also important because it had one of the cleaner bullish daily charts going into earnings, but the stock is now down roughly $13 after hours. That puts it back near the breakout area. The key level I am watching is 253.81. If Amazon can reclaim 253.81, then bulls can argue this is just a volatility reset, with upside targets at 257.75, then 263.4. But if Amazon fails below 253.81, and especially below 250, then the downside targets are 245, then 237. The larger 200-day moving average sits near 226.96,